how to log out Smule account. So if you want to log out of your Smule account, then first of all you need to open up the application. So after opening your application, now if you go to your profile and if you check the logout option, then you won't have the logout option here anywhere. You don't have the logout option. So what you can do is simply remove that application and then you can open up your settings. And now you can go for apps and notifications, and here you can simply go for see all apps and then open up your Smule and here what you can do is simply go for storage and cache and then go for clear cache and also go for clear storage. So after tapping on clear storage, your app data will be cleared. So simply tap on OK. So if you don't remember your login information, then please don't tap on clear storage because it will remove your login information. So but if you want to really log out of your account, even if you lose access to your login information, then you can simply tap on clear storage and now you can open up your Smule app. And here you can see that again it is asking you to select the language, and from here now you can log into your account. So that's it. That's how you sign out, or that's how you log out from your Smule app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.